day one, cleaning up the streets. Today I'm in Houston, Texas, on the south side of town, on Arm Drive. Hey, I'm cleaning up. You see the Jack in the Box over here? You already seen the 7-Eleven behind me. Chipotle over here. We cleaning up the streets, y'all. This is the movement. Keep our environment clean. Let's go. Helping the environment is good for everybody. If you feel the same way as me and you love your community, please screenshot the Cash App above and donate. I would greatly appreciate it. And folks, help out and do the same thing in your community as well. This is a movement, not just a class of art. Please donate if you can. Family, this is our community. If you see something, say something. If you see it, pick it up. Don't be throwing trash out the window. We live here. We all live here. This is Houston, Texas. All right? Let's be responsible. Throw the trash in the trash can. It's time to step it up, y'all. Do not be illiterate. Do not litter. This is our home. House is over there. House is over there. House is over there. We live here, y'all. This is our community. Let's make our community good. All right? Stand up. Big shout out to Talia as well. She is out here with me in the streets of Houston, Texas, picking up litter that's on the ground and helping the environment. Thank you, Talia. You're the best. This is your IG on the screen right here. Thanks. This is clean work. You see me walking around, you ain't finna see nothing. No plastic on the ground. And if you do see some plastic, I'ma pick it up. We the community, we gonna pick it up. Alright? And that's how we roll, y'all. Taking care of the community, that's responsible. Yeah, that's just what we doing, bro. This in front of restaurants be the worst. They have it the worst, y'all. Cause y'all want to eat in the parking lot, throw your shit out. Don't do that. Excuse my French, throw your stuff out. Don't do that. Wait till you get home. They got trash cans in front of the spot. Throw it in the trash can. Wait until you get home, put it in your trash can. Simple.